Hello everyone, Nadine here with PC.Solutions.Net. So today I'm going to go over how to get around Microsoft's Copilot limitation when you have Microsoft 365 and you have Copilot. It requires you to have your files in OneDrive or SharePoint, basically anywhere in the cloud with Microsoft. So one way to get around that, if you need to interact with some files, is to convert the file into PDF and then upload the PDF to Copilot, and then you can interact with it. It's really strange that for any other type of file, you have to upload it to the cloud, but for PDFs, you actually don't, PDFs and images. So that's a way you can get around it. So here we have the document that talks about, of course, all the nag messages. Here we have the document that talks about how we need to have documents in OneDrive and basically OneDrive, SharePoint, or any of the cloud services that Microsoft has. Could be Teams, which is driven by SharePoint as well. So to get around that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to log into my Copilot account, and I have a work account, so I've switched it over to web. And then over here, I'm going to upload the document. So I have a sample PDF already downloaded. So I'm going to just use that, and I'm going to open that. And I'm going to ask the system to summarize this doc. And I'm going to wait for it to upload. Once it uploads, which it did, and I'm going to now go ahead and get a summary for it. And it's analyzing that document, and then pretty soon, here is the summary. So now just to note that it did actually summarize it. So these are the different methods about upgrades it talks about, and then some of the important notices. And now let me open up the actual document itself and show you what it really looks like. So this is what that entire document looks like. But of course, the system created a nice summary without that document actually sitting in Microsoft's cloud. I just uploaded it here, got a summary. So that's how you can use certain documents. Now, the question becomes, how are you going to convert documents into PDF files? Well, that's really easy. Any new version of Microsoft Office apps will let you save documents into PDF format. So if you have a Word document, just save it as a PDF, upload the PDF into Copilot, and let Copilot do its magic. But sometimes you're at a machine where you may not have access to these devices, but you want to run something through Copilot really quick. This is a quick way to do that. Until next time, everybody, have a great day and be safe.